Right, evening muckers. I forgot what I was going to say then, but doesn't matter. Right, we're going to fit this area here. You've got ball nose there, you've got angles, cuts, whatever there, little ins and outs. You know, it's a small area, but we're way beyond just showing you straight wall cuts now, aren't we? So what we're going to do here is, you know, start off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to knock this wall out up here because that's my easy cut. Now, normally you'd do the hard cut first, wouldn't you? Because you just want to whittle it away until you got it right, then work away to the easy one. But with the boards, it's better to do the easy one first and that lot, then get your plank so you can set it into the board before you do the other cuts, so then you know where they're going to be. So anyway, so we'll start off. Right. What? Fucking hell. Right. So, right, this one here. Now, the holly board is only in action if I wanted to get that one, really, isn't it? It's not going to get these two side ones. So you're going to go with either, well, it looks like the cherry board or the lock boards, whatever one you want, really, whatever you're more comfortable with. But we've got to find out if that's square or not first. So, where's where's my cherry board? I've just had that. Oh, this one for now, right. Right, so what we got? 45 and a 45. So we'll go straight in with this template. Okay, now we've got the new pipe binder. If you want to check whether, you're on or not. Little stab mark there. Get it on the end of the plank, put it up to there. So there's my mark side, then I'm going to put my 45 template on it. So this one's showing. It's going to come back a bit. Same on that one. Showing its way off, so I'm going to move it along my board this time. Just so it hits my mark, and that's all it is. See? Now, we know that one was off, didn't we? So, so we can just apply that to the next cut here quickly. Just want to use your normal boards, don't you? Now, we get to move it over, didn't we? I've already got marks on my board, because it's always the same ones every time, so I've already got a line on mine. Pull it over a little smidge. And you do that for all of them going up if that was a long wall, because the wall's the same degrees out, isn't it? Cool, fucking hell. Just a bit tight there. Right, now fun stuff.